What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we're not ordering mods, but finally guys, finally we're doing the first mod. So there you have it, my beautiful 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5 in all its glory. Now, I don't know about you, maybe when you were younger, when you were a kid, you did something so dumb that you wish that when you woke up the next day, it wasn't true. That's exactly how I felt after removing the SR5 badges. Now, not because I removed them, but because I scraped the paint. A little bit, just a little bit. So if you didn't see that video, go watch it. It's a perfect example on how to not remove an SR5 badge. Right there, very minor, very tiny. And if I stand about right here, I can barely see it. But that's not the point of today's video. We're not going to dwell on the past. We're talking about the new modifications that we got in the mail via Amazon. Bada boom, bada bing. We got some wipes to wipe down the surfaces, but here we are, boys. Plastic has never looked so good. I mean, could you ask for anything better? And then we got the Tacoma overlay. So we got a lot of ground to cover. I guess let's just go for it. I read a little bit of the instruction on how to do these, and I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm not listening. So I think you're supposed to warm these up a little bit before you actually apply them, but oh god, there's a bug. But we're not going to. Let's start with these first. I think this will be the easiest part to do. There's these little bees who are harassing me right now, and we'll make do with what we got. We're gonna wipe it down. Yesterday I did wash the truck so that you know, I didn't have to deal with this too much. So we're gonna try to be as productive as we can. We're gonna wipe the whole thing. Ready? We're wiping. Let's run to the other side before the little napkin dries. Alrighty, we're not gonna waste 2 napkins. Cool. Now for the fun part, the part that I can actually mess up. We gotta remove this white film off of the back of the Tacoma badging. There's one part. You go off the other side. Is that about right? Yep, that's about right. I don't know how much the camera can see. I did not just do that. All right, I got it off. I grabbed my knife and I was able to pull that off. One dummy can do it with one hand. I'm sure your intelligent self can do it with 2. We're just gonna. There, I'm kidding, it's not done yet. Slowly but surely, try not to dent your door, even though it does feel like it's pretty flimsy here. This looks really good. I like to make sure that you can't see the chrome. Just try not to scratch up your paint, just in case you want to take these off. Oh man, that looks so sick. You cannot tell me that does not look a lot better. Okay, it makes such a big difference. You come over here and you're almost blinded. You're almost blinded with the chrome. Okay, we gotta look away while we still got our eyeballs. Whoa. See, I hate that the planes interrupt my video, but I mean, can you be mad at that shot right there? Jeez Louise. Let's get this other one done. I don't know. I just don't know. I think it looks super sick. Let's go ahead and work on the back. Hello, Mr. Lightpost. Oh God, you're awfully tall. It's like whenever I'm over here, I don't know, this little bee is attracted to the camera. Almost just swallowed it. So we can black this out, and then we can block the V6 out, which I'm super excited about. I think it'll look super sick. Let me move my truck because these bugs are harassing me. So we just moved the truck, and I came back here and I was trying to like work on the truck like I was out here doing, and I forgot I left everything over there on Mr. Lightpost. Now remember this, because before you know it, you're gonna be staring at this truck like, geez Louise. All right, so you already know how it goes. We gotta wipe it down as much as we can. Hello, Tacoma, get your wipe on. Let's go with the 4x4 first. You cannot tell me this is not a big improvement. The blacked out accents are sick. So now we got the last thing, which is probably for me the most concerning thing, the Tacoma lettering. I already wiped down the area as best I can. Now we have to put that over there. That over there. Huh. Cool, good news. So I just saw a tutorial on this, and I think if I just snap, there we go. It looks a lot better. I was gonna try and surprise Sandy and show her, but she knows where I record and she kind of just pulled up on me. She thinks it looks very nice. I think we both agree that we got to paint this. We're not going with an off-road bumper. It would just look too obnoxious. I tried to find a clean bumper, like something literally just the same shape, made out of steel. We're gonna get them either professionally painted bumper caps, or I may try to plastic dip them. Somebody told me to plastic dip them black for the time being. I don't know. I think it looks super sick. That's what we're looking at. Let me know what you guys think. I think this is super simple. I mean, it's under $50 and you gave your truck a whole new look. I'm impressed. With that being said, let me know what you guys think. Did you guys think this mod was worth it? Did you do it on your truck, or did you get it from the factory? Less than $50 and we are looking absolutely snazzy. If you enjoyed, leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. But with that being said, it's been your boy, I'm Matty Like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.